Hey guys, this is Michael with College Student Storage. I'm here today to talk to you about the poster tube that we give you when we give you your boxes and tape and what's in it. First off, take the lid off your poster tube. You can dump out your contents and you really have to kind of tap it on the floor here to see what's in it. But as you can see, they're not empty. We give you packaging instructions and how to pack your items. I strongly recommend you just take a few moments to read this. It'll really help you when packing up your dorm room, or if you live off campus, your off-campus room. Numerous points in here that'll make your labeling of your items way easier, and how to tape your boxes, etc. And if you have questions, honestly, a lot of them can be answered on this piece of paper. Second thing we give you is we give you a couple tie tags. And the third thing we give you is some sticker labels to put your name and confirmation number on it. And the last thing we give you is a marker. The tie tags we ask that you put these on bicycles or lamps or items like skateboards or your ski bags. These are great to put your name and confirmation number on them and then twist tie them on. If you run out of these, don't panic. When we come to pick up your stuff, we'll always have extra. We give you a few to start. That's what they're for. Again, the sticker labels, you can use these on plastic containers or rugs or again, any other item. Again, you put your name, school, and confirmation number on them. The one thing I will say about sticker labels is they will stick on wood, and they could, when you go to pull the stickers off, they could pull some of your varnish out, so you might not want to put them on wood or on surfaces. I strongly put them on the back of a wooden item if you're going to put them on wood. Also, finally, if you go to the website, csstorage.com, at the bottom of the home page, at the bottom on the corner is a package or a labels link, and if you click on that, you can print out numerous labels that look just like these that you can tape on your items if you run out of these. And again, we will also have extra items for you as well, or extra tags when we come to pick up your storage items. Here's your marker. This is what we ask that you write on the labels and the tags and on your boxes. That way we can see it. Don't use pen. We can't see pen or pencil. Just help us out if you use a marker. We always give you one. Okay, fast forward ahead. We now have your poster tubes that are now inside the poster tube. Strongly urge, don't put change in these. Don't put super heavy stuff in here. Just your posters and some simple stuff. Keep it short and to the point. If you have heavier items, don't put them in your poster tubes because it'll blow the ends off. We ask that you label each poster tube with your name, confirmation number, and you also put your confirmation numbers on the end. I'm going to label one to show you what I'm talking about. We want you to put your full name on your poster tube. This way we ensure that it gets back to you and it doesn't get lost or mixed up with another student's confirmation number if you only put your confirmation number on it. Then we ask that you put your confirmation number as well on each end cap. Okay, now that your poster tube is labeled with your name and confirmation number and your confirmation number on both ends, we ask that you tape your ends on. A lot of times in the summer, for whatever reason, those the move and wear and tear, these lids pop off and then your contents dumps all over the ground. We don't want that to happen for you. So please just take an extra moment and tape the ends of your poster tube. Take the tape, put one end over the side. If you don't have a knife, a pen works just as well to cut your tape. Hold the tape so it doesn't get stuck on the roll. One piece of tape here. One piece of tape there. Now your poster tube is secure and it's labeled properly. Now what to do with your poster tube. We ask that you try to put your poster tube either in your ski or snowboard bag if you have one, or please put it inside a large box. That way your poster tube won't get misplaced or lost and it'll be with your items at all times. When you just give us the poster tube separately, sometimes they do get misplaced and it takes a while for us to find them, and you don't want that. So make it easier on you and on us. Put your poster tube inside a large box. Fits in there just fine. You can fill the box with all your other items. Take your box, put your poster tube and all your items inside it. Tape your box. Use your pen if you don't have a knife. 3 strips along the top. And to assure it, if you really want to make sure your box stays shut, put 2 more strips along the sides. Never fold over the corners, always use the crease. It makes the box a stronger size. That's how you put your poster tube away for the year and store for the summer. Thank you.